Good morning, YouTube. Well, today is July the 14th, and we're headed on our way from South Carolina to Michigan for the 2025 NMRA Model Railroad Convention. This is our first time going up. I'm very excited, as you would already know that. I think even Terry is excited.
Most definitely.
We got probably about 11 hours and 58-minute drive. Traffic is not too bad. We did a good reconnaissance on our route, and hopefully the weather hold up. Nothing showing at this point. Hopefully nothing bad happens, and next time you see us, we'll be in Novi, starting to kick it off for this show, and we'll be taking the camera around so you all can see what's going on. Until then, we'll see you.
Have a good day.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm at the hotel where the convention is being held for the NMRA portion, and the clinics and all that other stuff. The actual show is at a different venue, which you'll see that later on. But let's go inside and see what we can see. registered up for the week and looking forward to an exciting week here at the NMRA conference. Like I said, it's my first time. Should be a great experience. Everyone seems to be in a pretty good mood. A lot of models and things that you can learn from, clinics. Hopefully I'll be able to attend some of the clinics to learn some new things about the model railroading hobby. And I really look forward to meeting any of you all that's out there that's coming up to this conference this week. If you recognize me, please stop by and speak, and let's have a great time. I'll see you around.